Currently, we are manufacturing up to 2 ml to 50 ml. In such that blow bags, dual chamber oil, round bottoms. Also, we are process of the vials, simulation and surface coating. As you know, recently we have started in the ampoule, surface coating and Teflon coating.
We are a great place to work certified organization, rank among top 50 India's best workplaces in manufacturing. Our employee safety is of great importance to us. We achieved zero accident status from last 3 years.
We improved the overall production capacity. We also improved the overall utilization by cutting down the fixed and variable losses. We have worked towards the improvement of the burner design, where not only we got the benefit in the improvement in the product quality, but also reducing the overall energy requirement.
This facility is ISO 45001:2018 certified, committed to follow basic industrial safety practices in place. It ensures adequate operational health and safety management system in the plant.
We are prioritizing employee training and development for skill development, communication development, leadership development, as well as safety training and employee health and well-being training.